Cooking in Cuisine. Thursday is here. 5 questions. 1 winner. Is it you? Rumor has it one of these could be fake. Can you tell? What style of pizza, known for its thick, square-cut slices and caramelized cheese edges, originated in Detroit? Nailed it, Detroit style. What type of cheese is traditionally used in a classic Croque Monsieur, a French grilled ham and cheese sandwich? That's right, Gruyere. What popular brand of instant ramen noodles became a staple comfort food for college students known for its extremely low price point? Boom, correct. Miso top ramen. Asafoetida, a pungent Indian spice, is derived from which part of a plant? Boom, correct. Resin. What is the primary protein in Cincinnati Chili, often served over spaghetti? That's right, ground beef. What chemical process is responsible for the browning of cut fruits like apples and avocados? That's right, enzymatic browning. While the Mediterranean diet emphasizes whole grains, which of these is least commonly featured? Boom, correct, white rice. The viral TikTok pasta, a baked feta pasta dish that swept social media in 2021, is traditionally garnished with what herb? Correct, basil. Which emulsification technique, often used for sauces like hollandaise, involves whisking egg yolks with a fat, like melted butter, over low heat until thickened? Nailed it, Bain-Marie! Which of these is not traditionally made using fermentation? That's right, canned green beans. Smash that follow button. Tomorrow it's Famous Landmarks time.